Hello, beautiful people. Learning a language can be one of the funniest and the most enjoyable things you may experience in your life. Okay, it helps you to be more intellectual and get to know new cultures and new people from different parts of the world, right? When it comes to talking about languages, I know that sometimes it is difficult to put many grammar rules and words into a simple sentence. I know that. But you should not let the fear of saying something wrong stop you from speaking. Don't let that fear stop you from communication. Okay. Which is the main goal of any language learning. You just keep speaking and try to pass what you want to say. Most of the times, people will understand what you want to say anyway. Even if you make mistakes, it's not rude. That's okay. It's normal as you are still a learner, but don't repeat the same mistakes again and again. You have to take lessons from your mistakes and try to hard as you can not repeat them, because making the same mistakes again and again is a big problem. But mistakes are, it's okay, no problem. It's not a big deal. Okay. You need to be a self-directed learner, which means that you take responsibility for your own learning and create your own learning program. That's to say, you need to find the best and the easiest method for you. What will help you reach the level you want to have. Keep in mind that people are not the same in learning. There are people who learn English by watching movies and listening to music. Others prefer watching different videos on YouTube or cartoons, while others improve their language skills by reading newspaper or different kinds of content out there. And the list goes on, right? The most important thing is that you need to find what method works best for you, and that you always keep working on your language skills. So it's very important. There will be a time when things get difficult. There will be a time when you don't feel like it. There will be a time when your progress is slow. What matters is to keep improving regardless of that, because you will not become what you want and who you want unless you give it your best, even when everything is against you. Okay, and that's it for today. Have a good day. Keep watching my videos. Bye bye.